Ino ni bica ya mirurungano ya tinda kaunti ya Siaya itongorio ni mucirithania munene wa igoti nene Rio kada makinyitanira na ruhonge rwa mawakiri bururi-ini Nirwo LSK Gukumithia ruhonge rwa Magoti gukirirwo ni thirikari na makiria mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto.
The advocates practicing in Siaya to join our colleagues, the leadership of the Law Society of Kenya, as well as advocates across the country, to condemn in the strongest terms possible the very unfortunate and sustained attacks on the judiciary and orders of court by the head of state.
Maya mokite kurumirira miario ya mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto akiuga ruhonge rwa Magoti ni rukoretwo na ciiko cia ungumania kuria acirithania amwe mamukirite mahaki niguo kurugamia tabarira cia Ukuria. Riu awakiri maya makihoya ruhonge ruru gutio makiria ni President Ruto.
We want to remind the national government and particularly the president and his executive that number one, the judiciary is not a branch of the presidency. It is not an appendage of the executive. Both the presidency and the judiciary are creations of the constitution. They all exercise powers donated to them by the people through the constitution. And for that reason, it is extremely important that the president learns the need to respect the independence of the judiciary and the orders that emanate from court.
Victor Oduol mwena-ini wake ni ugite mawakiri ni makurugama na ruhonge rwa Magoti akiuga wothe ugukorwo na ihitia ria kwagarara gatiba ga bururi uyu kana kwagarara wathani wa igoti ni agutacokerio makinya mahio make watho.
We are also joining the fellow LSK team to condemn the abuse of the courts, because as human rights we think that everybody have got a right and their channels to be followed, and it is not actually good for the head of the state all the time in the rallies blaming the judiciary.
Umuthi awakiri maya Magitabania mirurungano ino yao ni moritie mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto kuheana wira wa ati acirithania amwe a igoti nene ni mamukirite mahaki indi magithinyiriria hari na njira njagiriru na cia kiwatho iria ingitacokerio acirithania aya.
We want to affirm our support to the fidelity to the law and the constitution, and we want to join hands with all members who are in support and are all in equal measure endeavoring to ensure that the rule of law and the constitution is protected.